They say I'm really sexy. The boys they wanna sex me. They always standing next to me. Always dancing next to me. Trying to feel my hump. Looking at my lump. You can look but you can't touch it if you.
Hi guys, my name is Nadulaytb. I go by Beauty Rebellion. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this V-part wig from Nadula Hair Company. Shout out to Nadula for sending me this bomb V-part wig. If you're unfamiliar with what V-part wigs are, they're kind of similar to U-part wigs. Only difference is there's even less hair that you have to leave out, but you are leaving out your natural hair at the top. Kind of like a sew-in. I like to say it's like a 5-minute, 10-minute sew-in because you get the same look as a sew-in, but it's way faster. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the packaging that my wig came in. The wig that I'm going to be using in today's video is from Nadula Hair Company. So this is how the wig looked right out of the box. The hair is super soft and has a really pretty body wave pattern already. And as you can see, there are clips all around the perimeter of the wig, which makes it just really easy to clip on. And also, this is their new ventilated cap. It's more breathable. And I personally love wigs like this because I tend to have a more dry scalp. So it makes it easier to oil my scalp without removing the entire wig. So I went ahead and I washed and conditioned the hair and I let it air dry for a few days. And this is what it looks like now. As you can see, the parting space for the leave out is shaped like a V. That's why it's called a V-part wig. And unlike U-part wigs, guys, you can leave a lot less of your natural hair out at the top and still achieve a natural looking install. So let's get into it. I'm going to go ahead and straighten and pin curl my hair while it's on the mannequin. And then I'm going to put the wig on after I'm done.
The snow white off the white for the bundle. Stuff your cookies up, will they crumble? Don't be acting like the Cardinals are gon' rumble. Cause I'm a stealer, fresh this out the dealer. Will the dope boys gon' feel her. Flow so sick, I need a healer. Fuck this boy, my concealer. I be out in Queens and I pick a 4-week, for wheelers. I'm a big deal. That's why I get more head than a pigtail. With the bench, I'm getting the munchies. I think I have a rap bitch for my untrained. Baby think the nigga spits, bitch, shine my shoes. You know I keep a bad bitch, let me stain your boots. I'm the only thing hopping like a kangaroo.
Alright guys, so I am all done with the curls and now it's time to install. As you can see, I just did some big dookie straight back braids and left a little section on the left side of my hair out. And this is going to help cover the center of the wig and make it look a lot more natural. And as far as my edges, that's what I'm going to lay down, you know, swoop it, make baby hairs. I'm actually not going to talk too much because you can pretty much look at the video and see what I'm doing. So I'll come back once I'm done installing it, guys. And guys, this is why I like this cap, because when my head itch, I can go right up in there and scratch it No hassle. I'm right up in there. All right, y'all, let's get back into it. So guys, it actually looks really good so far. As you can see, I flat ironed the top of my hair, but it didn't get straight enough, so I'm just waiting for my hot comb to heat up. We're gonna go ahead and hot comb the sides and the top part so it can be nice and flat. Add some little, you know, edge control, and yeah.
I'm trying to reach your mama on a Sunday, and make a lot of love on Monday. Never need no one else, babe, 'cause I'll be switching in positions for you. Been in the kitchen and I'm in the bedroom. I don't need a lip that say I'm perfect through. All my love didn't happen, I wouldn't do, but I won't do. Switching for you. Switching for you. Perfect, good to be true. But I get tired of running. Fuck it, now I'm running with you. With you, so I'm trying to meet your mama on a Sunday. To make a lot of love on Monday. Never need no one else, babe, 'cause I'll be switching in positions for you.
Alright guys, so this is pretty much the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave me some feedback down below in my comment section. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Switching for you.